She doesn't have her cone on right now because she's being supervised. She hasn't really been licking her stitches, but they probably will get itchier later. This is her little setup for now. Had to move the kennel in here and stuff, just so she has more room, because she's going to be in here a lot and not able to roam the house because she'll jump on couches and stuff. I actually need to call the vet now because her dosage of sedative is not enough, which is not great. So, yeah. But she's doing okay. She's just still too jumpy. She's not slowing herself down enough. Ren. Ren. Hey. You're busy. Well, got something cool planned for these. They're super heavy. There's an exhibition, a group exhibition that Cass is going to have called Heavy Metal. And there are other pieces that were half the size of this. I needed 3 pieces for my concept. I had to send in a proposal. I did that like a month ago. And yeah, I was selected to be part of the exhibition, which is great because I haven't even been part of a group exhibition for like 3 years now. So, or any exhibition. So that was good. That'll be good for the CV and just to keep some momentum because I've got some gaps in my CV right now. But I'm excited to do it. It's something cool, something different. I've never worked with material like this, and I'll show you what I do in the vlog in the next coming weeks. Some of them are going to be rather slow going with my concept, but maybe I'll introduce you to that concept later on. But these are so heavy, so ridiculously difficult to move. My stomach is bruised because I was leaning one on my stomach as I was coming up the stairs or whatever. 3 flights of stairs for the Trianon. So yeah, I don't know when the exhibition is going to be. I forget. It was in the call for submissions, but I don't remember when it is. I think it's this summer. So keep you updated on that. There's a mouse in here again. It was out in the hallway, and I know it's here now. I saw it come underneath my door, because I put that there before I could put that wood plank thing there or whatever. And it crawled, whatever. It got around my hoodie and jumped around. Ugh. Frick. I haven't been to the studio alone for I don't know how long, and I'm finally here, and now I gotta deal with this. I'm on hold. I need to wrap up the vlog. I need to go inside. I need to upload this or transfer the footage. The only other video this week is a conversation if we need teachers or not. That's up there. I'm really upset about the mouse thing and some other things that happened at the studio today, mostly because of the mouse thing. And I'll talk about that later. So, see you in another time.